Exercise 1.3. Solve the following system of linear equations by matrix inversion method. Here the equations are given as 2x plus 5y equal to minus 2 and x plus 2y equal to minus 3. Here the matrix format, we want to make the equations as in the matrix format, isn't it? So we can write the coefficients as 2, 5, 1, 2 and the variables given are x, y, and then the solutions of the right hand side of the constant of the equation is minus 2 and minus 3. We should write in the right hand side. Okay, so you have to write the coefficient of x, y like this, and then variables here, and then constant variables at the right hand side. Now this format is in ax equal to b. The given format is ax equal to b. Here for the solution we want to find the value of x, isn't it? So take this a to the other side, that means pre-multiply by a inverse. That means x equal to a inverse b here. If you pre-multiply a inverse here, what we can then get here? A inverse into a into x equal to a inverse b. So here this a inverse and a becomes either. So ix equal to a inverse b. So it's nothing but x equal to a inverse b. So that is the solution what we want to find here. So x equal to a inverse b. Here I want to find the value of a inverse first. So a inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant a into adjoint a. We know the formula for this. For this determinant a, we want to find the determinant value of this matrix. That means determinant 2, 5, 1, 2 into adjoint a. Here since it is the 2 by 2 matrix, we can write directly the change these two elements as it is, that is 2 and 2, and then change the symbol of these diagonals, that means minus 5 and minus 1, and then find the determinant value of this denominator. So we have the 4 minus 5, so that means cross multiplication of this is 4 minus 5, that is 1. Therefore a inverse equal to, here the minus 1 is there, so that minus 1 we have to multiply along with the bracket matrix here, so that we got minus 2 plus 5 plus 1 minus 2 like this. Okay, so we want to have the solution, isn't it? That solution is nothing but x equal to a inverse b. Here we found the value of a inverse, that a inverse is here. Substitute the value, that is x equal to a inverse into b. So ordinary matrix multiplication we have to do here. It's nothing but 4 minus 15 minus 2 plus 6 there. Therefore xy equal to, that x is nothing but xy, that variables minus 11 and 4. Therefore the solution of this matrix given equation is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 4. In matrix form we should write like this, and for the equation we want to write the solution, isn't it? So we have to take this as x equal to minus 11 and y equal to 4 then. In the first problem, third division, solve the following system of linear equations by matrix inversion method. Here it's given the equation 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 9, 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. Let me write these equations in matrix format. It's nothing but 2, 3 minus 1. For the second equation is 1, 1, 1. For the third equation is 3 minus 1 minus 1. And then the variables are given as x, y, z. And that constant of on the right hand side is so 9, 9 minus 1. So we should write like this here. Now this is in the format of ax equal to b. Here for this ax equal to b, I want to find the solution of the equation, isn't it? That is nothing but x equal to a inverse b there. I want to find the value of this A inverse. For this A inverse, I need determinant A, isn't it? For this determinant A, I want to find here. So, determinant A equal to, so expand by the first row, that is 2 into minus 1 plus 1, then minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3, and then again minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3. So if you simplify this, we have 16 as the determinant value here, and then we want to find the adjoint value here, isn't it? So for this adjoint, so for each and every one we have to, for each element we want to find m11, m12, m13 like this, isn't it? So directly we can find like this. This is m11, m12, m13, m21, m22, m23, and m31, m32, m33 is here. The whole we have to write in the matrix format and put the transpose symbol here. So after the simplification, we have this 0, 4, minus 4, 4, 1, 11, 4, minus 3, minus 1. We want to take the transpose of this, isn't it? So if you take the transpose here, we have this as adjoint A. So now we found this adjoint value, and then we want to take this A inverse. A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So 1 by 16 into, this is the adjoint value here. Here we want to find the solution of the equation, isn't it? Here we found already A inverse there. So here we have the formula x equal to A inverse B, isn't it? So we found the value of A inverse, that is nothing but 1 by 16 into some adjoint value here, and then into B. B is nothing but this 9, 9 minus 1. So we have to multiply these two here. Keep this 1 by 16 as it is, and then multiply these two matrix here, so that we have that value of x, y, z here, and then we should write as the format x equal to something, y equal to the answer, z equal to the other answer what you got.